Welcome to Da Nang. Good morning. Look how calm it is here in the Antong area in the morning, around 8 to 9 o'clock. Very nice. I think I have to wake up earlier. I think I woke up early, but I don't feel like going out in the morning. But it is actually the place to be. Go to the beach in the morning. Should also have a routine where I go walk in the morning to the beach, see the ocean. I think it's very good. Maybe I'm becoming a hippie and I take off my shoes and ground myself. Maybe I should also do this like the locals do and dig myself into the sand. Maybe that's very good. Or do the morning exercises, what they always do. I should do that. I will when I come back from my trip, I will do that. I will do the morning routine of a Vietnamese uncle. I'm wondering sometimes, the drinking a lot in the evening, but waking up very early and doing exercises. Yeah, I'm wondering how that works. But yeah, I think it's very good to do these morning exercises. I will also try to wake up now, soon, when I come back. No coffee in the morning. First, I'm gonna go walk. Walk and no phone. I will try that. I saw it somewhere. Should definitely try it. First thing I do is check my YouTube in the morning, and that's very unhealthy. I don't know why I do that. I don't even check Instagram anymore. But yeah, I'm full on YouTube. It's the Antong 1 Street. And this is how beautiful the ocean looks right now. And I promise you, I will give you the sunrise walk, okay? It will happen. I will even go live at some point. As soon as I'm back. It's gonna be the last walk, and then I'm gonna be in Bangkok. I will do some Bangkok videos. I will keep you updated. At this time of the day, I think the beach is the emptiest. Because right in the morning, lots of locals are there. Look at this. Those are all taxis. Every time you see a yellow license plate, this is a plate where they transport people. Taxi, bus, taxi, 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 taxi. And they're all white. They're all grab, in-drive, or anything like that. Or even Sun SM. White plates, yellow plates, and yellow plate. So you see there is not much individuals driving a car here. It's all business. It's all ride-sharing apps. It's very simple to spot. It's yellow. The white ones are normal cars. Yeah, look at this. There's a photo shoot going on over there. But look how empty it looks. The ocean looks immaculate. It's so nice and calm. I should also start going to the water. I'm not sure how often I've been in the water this year. Maybe only 2 times. How crazy is that? And I'm living in a beach town. Look at this, how empty it is. This is the best time to be here. Also, the sun is very strong already. It is blue sky. It is nice and hot in the morning already. Oh, it's Saturday. People are hangover. All right, I get it now. So no one is here. But yeah, this is the place to be morning. I think I would even say, it's already very hot. I would say get here at 9, 8 or 7:30. Then it's a little bit more busy and then it will be very empty like now. Get your vitamin D in the morning. I will not do walks in the noontime anymore. It's just very unhealthy. Or I have to get a full protection suit. But yeah, sunrise, sunset, sunrise and sunset time, very good. It's nicer light anyways. The coconuts are getting delivered here, and then they're getting cooled, and then they're getting served. Nice. Now I'm just set that thing with the yellow plates. Now I'm looking all the time. It's kind of crazy. All those white vans are, yeah, I think no one in a clear mind would drive a Toyota Avanza or something, or all those cars in white. Because that's always taxi here. Those cars, they're the most comfy ones. Or the Toyota Velos, also very nice. I like those really much because they have the AC units separate in the back, and you can turn it on whenever you want. I think this is the most comfortable from the ride-sharing apps. Yeah, this is beautiful. What a calm beach. I see a lot of people out there with surfboards. There's absolutely no surfing going on, but at least you can paddle some or train, but it's very, very calm. There's no wave, no big waves or anything like that. I'm wondering what happened here with the Sugar Daddy, because it was open at some point and then, I don't know, it just disappeared now. So if it comes to ride-sharing apps, you only have 3 or 4. That's 3 or 4 more than Germany has. I think we have Uber and Bolt, but not in a good way. We have InDrive, the InDrive app, international app. We have Grab app. Grab is Southeast Asia, probably also Asia. Grab bought Uber, if I'm not wrong. And then we have a brand new player in the town, it's BE. I have not tried it yet because, oh, this is a cool bike. I want to have this bike. But it's very low. I think I'm too tall for that. I love those kind of bikes. Dude, that's amazing. And then we have Sun SM. The blue cars you see there, the electric cars from VinFast, those are Sun SMs. And sadly, very, 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 very sadly, they changed their model. So they only have normal ones and premium ones. And they only look a little bit different. The premium ones has a little bit more silver elements to it, but it's almost the same. They also serve some smaller cars in the normal size. Yeah, it's not that nice. It's still nice and clean and everything, but small. And since it's an electric vehicle, the legs are elevated because the battery is under you. It's not that nice. They had a very, very nice option back maybe 8 months ago. They had something like Uber X, or here it was Sun SM Luxury, and it was a VF8, the Jeep, and it was super nice. It was just a little bit more expensive, but you had a very nice, pleasant experience. Now they just stopped that. You can also take the motorbike taxis from Sun SM as well. It's also electric. Yeah, but I would say Grab, InDrive, BE, and Sun SM. Did I forget something? Nah. They don't have Bolt here. And I think there are 4 ride-sharing apps are enough. But usually when they start with the ride-sharing apps, they have very good offers and lots of discounts to get the market. They don't have to make profit yet. But in-drive is definitely the cheapest, but it's also a little bit inconvenient sometimes because you have to have cash. And sometimes I don't want to do the cash thing anymore with the ride-sharing apps. It's very annoying. Look, yellow plate, yellow plate. A Volvo is usually never a taxi. A Volvo is a fine car here in Vietnam. They really like Volvo here. Oh wow, this looks chaos. Look at it. My God. This is crazy. Guys, did you see this? This is crazy. This is a coffee chain from Nha Trang called CCP Coffee. And apparently this is 3-4 stories high. And I think this is gonna be the first coffee shop, the first store here in this huge, what is it called again? I forgot the name, how they call this little plaza. But this is gonna be the first one. And I'm really excited about pavement. Woo! Yeah! Pavements, baby. I love pavements. I'm German and I love pavements. But so it is elevated, the pavement here. Don't worry, when the pavement is done, I will personally check the pavement if it's good or not. I will tell you from my German pavement walking experience if it's a good pavement, sidewalk or footpath or whatever you want to call it, Bürgersteig, Gehweg, everything. Beautiful. Yeah, I will definitely inspect that. Oh my God. This motorbike just spit hot, nasty air into my face. Yeah, this is gonna be the first store here in this place. And they're gonna be done soon, I think. Maybe even in 2 weeks. Maybe when I come back from Bangkok, it's gonna be done. Very interesting, guys. All right, how do we do that now? All right, bro. Yeah, I miss this pavement. I miss you and I love you. Oh, the pavement. The guy smiled at me now. I hope you understood, I did not mean him. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, this is gonna be a short walk. You saw the beach, it's very nice and pleasant. Look how many yellow number plates there are. Yellow, 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 yellow. This Toyota is not yellow, but it looks like a ride-sharing app car. I'm excited about this project as well. This might be, imagine this place, like, if this here is done, Barrett Urban Zone, okay? The Barrett Urban Zone is done. Let's say 5 months, everything is running, everything is rented out. If this in 6 months is maybe, hopefully, let's hope it's 6 months only. I think they're very quick. 6 months, let's say that is done. Okay, you have then a hotel and then you have another construction. But this place to live will be very nice because they're not gonna build anything here anymore. And they don't remove this hotel, so this will be a nice option to live. And I will definitely check it out as soon as it's available and ready. Now, being in one of those hotels at the moment is very bad, I guess. The noise level in the morning is not that bad, but okay, I can hear it. Maybe it is bad. Yeah. I will also give you a little update on the building. I think they just finished to demolish it. And Chong, are they open now here? Maybe they're open now. No, not yet, but soon. Onda Lounge. 3 stories, 6 concepts, endless buena ondos or something. So Chong is open. I should go back to section 30. I really like this place. Sometimes it's a little bit hot. They even have buy one get one free smash burgers. So 2 smash burger for 100,000 dong. Maybe that's a good deal. Depends on the size. But look at this. The house is demolished. Look at all the wires. Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening now. So this house is demolished. Lots of you maybe remember Kenny's hair salon. It's gone. And all those stores here, the nail shop and everything, it's gone. What will happen here? What will happen here, guys? Let's have a look at the one coffee shop. What Marcus is really liking. Maybe he's gonna get it, or we'll see. Well, actually, I should not say anything. But this is crazy. What is this going on here? Is this a go-go bar? I don't know. Oh, look at this. This bakery is over. This is also a pub, or like a little nightclub bar or something. But apparently they also have apartments up there. There's so many sneaky apartments. As you just saw, my good friend from Germany is here, and we did a walk, and then he messaged them all, and he sent me all the videos. Very interesting, and prices, very interesting. Few good prices in there. I added some on my Google Maps guide, and maybe I will take also the videos and put them unlisted on YouTube and link them to the notes of the locations. But yeah, so very interesting. Very unusual concepts of apartments sometimes. Sometimes it's a hit or miss. Sometimes you have a very good apartment in a not so nice looking house, and then you have a nice looking house and then the apartment is totally misconstructed. Such a weird layouts I saw. My God, this is kind of crazy. Yeah. But yeah, it's definitely doable, and I think if you have the energy and you really want to have it, you will get the best deal here, definitely. I saw lots of places, 6 million, 8 million, what he sent me. Yeah, it's still possible here in this area. So, and I think if you go out somewhere, there's so many places not on Facebook. Many people say, oh, check out Facebook, bro. They're lazy, they don't want to put things on Facebook. And they don't want to work with real estate agents who take one month or something for the yearly contract. Yeah, but it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.